Hello, thanks for dropping in. Today I have received a box in the mail and I need to open it up and have a look in it. I have a feeling I know what it is, I think. And it does seem to have been shipped promptly and well. So what I'm going to do is take my Tupperware scissors and with great care, hello Penny, how are you doing? Cut down the middle and pop the box open. Ooh. And of course, I can always snip. Snip, 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 snip. Hello? Penny, hi. Yeah, Penny, I'm opening something here. So what do we have? We have some foam. That's always handy. And we have some more foam. Hello, Penny. Things are falling. And here we have something of a suspicious looking shape. Time to cut. With great care. Always be careful. You don't want to damage the thing that has been shipped. Alright, so let's see what we have to see. Ooh. Looky, looky. It's funny, the shift lock key is almost inevitably pushed down. So here we have a very lovely, seemingly complete Vic-20. It is the old model, which has the 2-prong connector. Power switch seems okay. Looks okay. Looks actually remarkably clean. Although I'm sure, as with anything, it could be improved with the application of a magic eraser. So it is a Vic-20, 117 volts, 1 amp, 60 hertz, made in the USA. And it does look to be pretty fine indeed. It has the label on the top, or this on the top, seems to have a bit of a gold tinge to it. Now unfortunately, it did not come with anything. So I do not have a monitor handy. I do not have a power supply handy. I don't have anything handy to actually turn this on. But I tell you, it's lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. So I guess what I really need to do is, you see the Hush 80 is still here. I need to find some rubber bands, get that all packed away, and talk to Rudy and see what he suggests. Yes. Anyway, and with the Vic-20, by the way, it is not an original old PET keyboard. And for those that might hear that expression and have no clue what it means, is the very first Vic-20s, the sound of the keyboard is quite different. And the keys are very square. In other words, as they were getting into the Vic-20, they were using the same internal parts to the keyboard as what you would find on a PET. But they didn't do it for very long, so those machines are now rare and, of course, highly prized. They are. But this is not one of those. But it's beautiful. I don't see any real apparent defects. Where are you, Penny? Oh, Penny's coming out from under the table. Hello, Penny. And it's grand. It's glorious. It's beautiful. I'm going to take this Vic-20 and put it gently up here, because the other thing I have here, and this is a separate box, and separate everything, is, I must have a look. Aha. This some common basic programs for the Commodore PET. This is a box that came with the original small keyboard PET. This one looks like it, well, it has some games. Alphabetized blackjack, Star Wars, backgammon, deflection, etc., etc. Who knows, maybe it's a copy of a T-Pipe tape. What is this? Software programmer, software program products. PET slot machine, 8 to 32K on tape. Here's something. Aha. From, well, I don't know if it's from Commodore, but it is for use with the Commodore PET. Machine language monitor, squiggle, big time. What else? PET pinball, 8K. Now, do any of these work? I don't know. I just don't know. What is this? It is a tape. Here's a tape called Big Ben. What is it? Who knows? Oh, there's a black case. What does this say? Not much. What do we have in here? It's hard to read these things, huh? Invisys portfolio. Blackjack, Star Wars, Sweet, Main Street Mortgage, back. Oh, this looks, maybe it's similar to that other tape there. Squiggle, big time. Well, interesting. Now the next thing, of course, we really need to do is continue to work on that original PET, which of course I'm still trying to figure out if it works and how much it works and what's going on. But here we have, it's funny how things never quite go back in. A box that came with the PET. What's it say here? Miscellaneous PET tapes and programs. Oh my. Okay, I think maybe I will get some of these things out here. Word. Well, I'll put stuff back in here as I go. What do we have here? It's for the PET. It's called Code Breaker by Program Design Inc. IQ Builder. And it even has the original packaging. Code Breaker consists of 3 scrambled messages of increasing difficulty that build basic word handling skills needed for good writing. I wonder if there's any spelling mistakes on this. The first game scrambles letters within the words in the message. The next 2 games scramble letters and also word order. PDI will replace any defective cassette free of charge. Interesting. I have never seen this before. And it's still original packaging. Has it been opened? Who knows? What is this? Vocabulary Builder. Also by PDI. For the pet. There's a sticker that says pet. These people, oh, they were out of Connecticut. 2. What is this? Concentration. Also for the pet. Memory Builder. Interesting. By the same company. Let's see what this is. Reading Comprehension. What's different for the pet? I'm assuming that these all run on the original 8K pet. I am assuming. What is in here? Pinball. Product description. Slot machine. Okay, maybe these things are things that are in that other box. What is here? There are no tapes in this. Oh, here's one called Hunt. Copyright 1979. Hunt. Pet. Hunt. No clue what it means, but anyway, it's got all its original packaging and documentation. And what do we have here? Space Shuttle. Space Shuttle is compatible with either ROM. Another tape. Excellent. Hello, Penny. What do we have here? Word RS-232 Word Processor by Mike Richter, Program International Inc. Do you want to edit the text? Input from tape, output to tape. Print the output, read to screen, write something new. Once again, with original documentation. Now, what is this? Oh, they've got smaller. This is IQ Builder for the pet. Hayden Computer Program Tapes. Batter up. I'm assuming it's for, oh yes, Pet 8K. Classic baseball. Somewhere in New Jersey. Now these things, what is this? Creative computing software. Conversational games. Hey man. Artillery. Oh, I remember I used to play artillery. Creative computing software. Original tapes. I'm assuming for the 8K pet. Now these all, I have never seen these before, but let's see. Instant software. Dow Jones. Tangle Super Trap. Casino 2. Arcade 1. Arcade 2. Mortgage with prepayment and financier. Casino 1. Checkers and Baccarat. Penny Arcade. Tangle Super Trap. Turf and Target. Cubic 4. Gomoku. Interesting. All in the original packaging. Well, once I see if I can get the pet working, I'll have to see if any of it works. I shall. So, I have, as always, many things on the go. And does anything really get finished? Good question. I suppose what I should do, unfortunately, this was recycling day. I should have opened this earlier. Because now I have more stuff to recycle. Not this stuff. The box, I mean, from the Vic-20. So the Vic-20 needs to be tested. This printer needs to be contained in its original packaging. Penny needs to be talked to. Hello, Penny. Penny? Yes, I know. Scissors need to go back to the kitchen drawer. The screwdriver I should really get rid of. But will I? Or will Twilight Zone. It is hard to get rid of a tool. Hard, very hard. It is. Let's see if this has any wisdom about the screwdriver.
The lesser of two evils is still evil.
Well, I'm thinking what I should probably do with the screwdriver is throw the bits into my toolbox and throw the screwdriver away. Toss it away. I have too much stuff. And especially to have something that does not work. What is the point? What is the point? Yes, that is what I think I should do. Alright, well, thanks for coming. We'll see what we get into next time. We shall. I guess, as I was saying, what I really need to do is get a place set up where I can test machines like this, Commodore 64s, etc., 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 etc. And at some point I will get back to the 1990 project, the 1960 stuff. There's always more to do. Always more. Anyway, enough for now. Thanks for coming. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to write. As best as I can, I write back to everybody. Also, I have been including in my descriptions lately my email, my Facebook, my probably Instagram contact information. Don't hesitate to follow me or send me a message if you have a question or a comment or anything at all. Alright, much to do. Thanks again. Think I'll go get the recycle bins and put them away. I'll do it later. Alright. Thanks again.